Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be decorating my creative journal, which is my favorite planner. This particular planner is called Sophisticated Florals and it is a classic size happy planner. We are decorating the week of August 8th through the 14th and I'm going to be using a couple sticker books. I pulled out something much older called Layer Florals. I don't know if you guys remember that book, but I haven't used it in such a long time that I decided to pull it out and make a super bright spread while the summer is still here and before I get into like fall spreads and stuff. So this book is super gorgeous and it has so many beautiful stickers, but I really liked these doodly kind of fun whimsical ones, so that's what I'm gonna be using. It's gonna be kind of a spread that's all over a little bit, and it's going to be one that's bright and colorful yet very different. So here we go. This is what I am doing really quickly. I'm gonna go ahead and add this really bright whimsical floral, like I said, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Added the other part of it, and I'm gonna be working all around these to add lots of little floral elements here. So if you're looking for a bright fun spread for yourself, this could be an option. It's going to be kind of a hodgepodge of different flowers, and I really don't mind that. If you do, maybe that's not for you, but I kind of having like random spreads here and there sometimes, not very often, but once in a while I do like those. And when I write in them, they usually come out so beautiful for some reason. It's the spreads that you like the least after writing in them. It's kind of like a turnaround. So I'm gonna cut this pink one and apply it onto both sides. And let's see what happens. I think that's gonna brighten up the page and kind of break it out and add even more color. This spread will be so fun because I'll be able to use so many colors of pens when I'm writing and make it really stand out. I can't wait to show you guys what this will look like after the pen. So as always, stay tuned for a flip through at the end of the month, or if not, at the end of the year, because I do like a full flip through. What do you guys think so far of the spread? I know it's crazy and all over the place, but bear with me. I'll show you what I mean when I am done. I love adding like different elements and making it kind of whimsical and fun like this. So sometimes, like I said, those random spreads are the best. Okay, so a few more details up here. I want to add more to the top. I think that will make a big difference because they're going to be coming from all directions. And I think I need to add like the tiny pieces to it. Okay, like that leaf, I think when you look at it, it makes quite a big difference. And it's such a, like I said, it's such a weird spread, but it brings me so much joy for some reason. I couldn't help myself. Okay, adding those tiny little elements I was talking about. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add headers to the top. I think I'm gonna do them in like a bright, almost lemon green color. This way they will really stand out and kind of bring in the greens. But let's see. And I'm looking for washi too, because washi is always such a good addition to spreads like this. It kind of breaks down all the color a little bit. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. I might be removing it as I'm writing. I don't know yet. For now, I am keeping it, but we shall see. Sometimes I like washi, sometimes I do not. It depends. This is a Happy Planner washi that came with like a pack, so I'm using that for sure. I think that's a good color for this. Adding yellow to the spread is a good idea for this one to brighten it up even more. But like I said, I haven't decided if that's something I'm going to keep. And now it's time to add those headers I was saying. So I'm gonna use the Live Love Posh Functionally Chic green blooms. I'm gonna use this really bright green. I love that she included so many functional stickers in that book. I think that's such a good book. If you don't have it, I highly recommend one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and run these all over like so. And they're the perfect width of the box, which looks so great when you're done. I'm gonna fix that Sunday so it matches the others. There we go. I think that looks good. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use a little bit of green washi that matches those headers, and I'll go from there. And I think I am almost done with this spread. Let me know down below what you guys think, whether you like this hodgepodge of everything. This makes me super happy and it's so bright. So I thought it was a good addition to my collection of spreads. Oh my gosh, I don't know if this like washi is old or what's wrong with it, but it's not sticking. I'm gonna try again on the bottom. Like have to really press it down hard to rip it. It's not sticking the best. Ugh, okay. Well, we are done. I'm gonna pop this back into my planner. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. I love responding to those, and I'll see you very soon for another plan with me. Thanks for watching. Bye!